Hi, Kara.
Hi, Miss.
That is a nice hijab. It's what the color of your hijab? Is it Tosca, green, or blue? Green. Hi, Ryan. It's a new haircut. It's a new haircut.
Yes.
Yes, it's a good haircut. You look handsome.
Oh, thank you.
Kara, you remember Ryan, right? Ryan is from the what? The afternoon class. But now he is here. Okay, let's start with reading story. Okay, reading story. Get your book. Get your book. We will read. We will read a short story. Let's find a short story to read. Page 18. Hi, Alia. We are reading story. Page 18. Page 18. Who wants to start reading? Ryan, I think this is a short story. Ryan.
I'm back, Miss.
Okay.
In progress.
Page 18. Page 18, everybody. Ryan, please read page 18. Come on, Ryan.
Wait, Miss.
Page 18. Ryan. 18. 18.
The end.
18.
Wait.
Page 18. Page 18. Come on, Ryan.
Wait, Miss.
Page 18.
Tim the tiny mouse.
Okay.
Tim is a tiny mouse. His life is a
Live. He
small
lives. Live. He lives.
He lives in a small hole in the wall. Tim like cheese, cucumber, and cozy naps. One day, Tim heard a sound. Boom, bang,
Hears.
boom.
Tim hears a sound.
Tim hears a sound. Boom, bang, boom. Oh no, sighed Tim. He peeked outside. A big worm is moving fast. Tim running under the tablet.
Tim runs. Read carefully. Tim runs.
Tim runs under table. He hides behind a shelf. Then find a broom is gone.
Then quiet. Quiet.
Quiet. The broom is gone. Tim come out. He find a little crumb.
Crumb.
He smiled. Crumb. He smiled. Yum. Back in his hole. Tim eats his crumb. Then he takes a nap.
He takes a nap.
He takes a nap. Safe, happy, full.
Okay. So what is a broom? A big broom is moving fast. What is a broom? Ryan, find the words. Find the words in the dictionary. Find the meaning. Find the meaning in the dictionary.
The question.
Broom. What is the meaning of broom?
Wait.
A big broom is moving fast. Okay. Where's your dictionary? Your dictionary, Ryan. Your dictionary.
Oh.
Where is your dictionary?
Wait, please.
Find the meaning in the dictionary. Okay. Let's go on with question. So Ryan is looking for the meaning of broom. Who is the story about? Kara. Who is the story about, Kara?
Tim the tiny mouse.
Good. Good. So Ryan, have you found the meaning of broom?
Sapu.
Wow, good. Okay. What about pigs? He picks outside. Okay, while Ryan.
I'll leave. I want to.
You want to what?
The laptop.
Okay. Okay. Where does Tim live? Where does Tim live? Kenzie. Where does Tim live?
He lives in a small hole in the wall.
Good. What does Tim like? Alia.
Yes.
What does Tim like?
Tim likes cheese, crumbs, and cozy naps.
Okay. What is naps?
Tidur siang.
Okay. What sound does Tim hear? Kara. What sound does Tim hear?
He hides behind a shelf.
Hear, not hide. Not hear. What sound does Tim hear? One day, Tim hears a sound. What sound does Tim hear? Can you hear me? Oh my God. What did Tilly see one day? Kara.
Tilly saw a butterfly.
Okay, so what did Tilly want to do when he saw the butterfly, Kara? What did Tilly want to do when he saw the butterfly?
He wanted to follow it.
Yes. What did the butterfly fly over first? What did the butterfly fly over first? Kenzie. The butterfly flew over. Fly is the present verb. The past verb for fly is flew. Okay? So the butterfly flew. Kenzie?
The butterfly flew near a flower.
Before that, what did the butterfly flew over first?
The butterfly flew over a log.
Yes, good. So keep in mind, okay? Fly flew. What did Tilly say when he climbed over the log? Alia?
Yes.
What did Tilly say when he climbed over the log?
I can do it.
I can do it. I can do it. Okay. What did Tilly smell near the flower, Ryan? What did Tilly smell near the flower? What did Tilly smell near the flower, Ryan?
He said smiling. Bas, Papa.
What did Tilly smell near the flower? What did Tilly smell near the flower? A nice smell. What a nice smell. He smelled a nice smell.
Oh. Nice smell.
Ah, yes. Hi, Quinza. So we are reading story page 26. Quinza, open page 26. We are reading page 26. So what happened when the butterfly flew into the woods? Kenzie again. What happened when the butterfly flew into the woods? Kenzie?
Yeah.
What happened? Then the butterfly flew into the woods. Tilly looked around. Oh no, he said, where am I? So what happened when the butterfly flew into the woods? What happened?
Mm,
Tilly get
Tilly,
lost. Tilly
wait.
get lost. How did Tilly find his way back? Sometimes the answer is not a sentence. The answer is not a sentence in the story, okay? So you have to think. You have to understand the story. Okay, Kenzie?
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
everybody? Okay. So, how did Tilly find his way back? Alia?
He followed the sound of frogs.
Okay. What did Tilly see that made him happy? Kara? Okay, it's not a sentence. The answer is not a sentence. You have to think. So Tilly was lost and he was trying to find his way back home. And then he saw something that made him happy, very happy. What is it?
He saw a water.
Yes, good. A pond, a water. My pond, he cheered. That means he is happy. So, what did Tilly say at the end? Ryan, what did Tilly say at the end? What did Tilly say at the end?
But it's good to be home.
Okay, good. Now, Alia, page 28. Page 28.
Daisy and the Lost Hat. One sunny morning, Daisy the duck went for a walk. She wore her favorite blue hat. The wind blew, push, and her hat flew away. Oh no, said Daisy. Come back, hat. She ran after it. The hat flew over a rock. Daisy looked behind the rock. No hat. She saw her best friend, Max the mouse. Have you seen my hat? Asked Daisy. Max pointed. It flew into the trees. Daisy and Max ran to the tree. The hat was stuck on a branch. I will help, said Max. He climbed the tree and got the hat. Thank you, said Daisy. She smiled and put on her blue hat.
Continue, please. Page 29.
Then Daisy and Max sat under the tree and shared a snack. It was a good day.
Yes. Sat is the past verb of sit. Okay. Sitting is the present verb and sat is the past verb for sitting, for sit. Okay. Is Daisy a dog? Kara. Is Daisy a dog? Okay, Kara.
Yes, Miss.
Yes. Yes, she is a dog. Does Daisy wear a red hat? Quinza. Does Daisy wear a red hat?
Wait. Does this have the those were read have if
Where is the present verb? Wore is the past verb. She
if
wore her.
he what is it?
One sunny morning, Daisy the dog went for a walk. She wore.
Her favorite blue hat.
Does Daisy wear a red hat?
Red combat the flew whoosh and her
No.
ah
The question is, does Daisy wear a red hat? The answer is she wore her favorite.
she wore her favorite blue hat.
So, does Daisy wear a red hat? Does Daisy wear a red hat? What color of the hat?
Blue?
Okay, so does Daisy wear a red hat?
No.
No, she
Oh.
does not wear the red hat. Did the wind take Daisy's hat? Kenzie. Kenzie, did the wind take Daisy's hat? The answer is yes, no, yes, no. Did the wind take Daisy's hat? But you have to answer with full sentence, okay? Yes, what? No, what?
Yes.
Yes, what?
Yes. The one blue.
The wind.
The wind blue. Blue. Blue.
The wind take Daisy's hat. The question is take. So the answer is take. So you are, because you are answering the question. Did Max help Daisy? Ryan, did Max help Daisy? Did Max help Daisy, Ryan? The head was struck. The head was stuck on a branch. I will help you, said Max. So, did Max help Daisy?
Yes.
Yes, what? Yes.
Yes, he helping Daisy.
Good.
Daisy.
Did Daisy find her head in the water? Quinza. Did Daisy find her head in the water?
Did uh, did uh, did Daisy find her in the water? No,
No, he,
he
she,
don't
no, I mean she. She does not, she did not, sorry,
did not
did not find her head in the water. So when the question using is, the answer using is or is not. When the question using does, the answer is using does. It does or it does not. Okay, Alia dancing. When the question using did, the answer is also using did. It did or it did not. Okay? Okay, everybody? Okay. Do you understand, Kenzie? Do you understand? Yes. So now next question. What color is Daisy's hat? What color is Daisy's hat? Kara.
blue.
Blue. Okay. Who is Daisy's friend? Alia.
What?
Who is Daisy's friend?
Max the mouse.
Yes. Where did the hat go? Ryan, where did the hat go? Where did the hat go? Ryan.
Over a rock.
Over a rock. Okay. Who got the hat from the tree? Who got the hat from the tree? Kara. Kara, who got the hat from the tree? Yes, Ryan.
What?
Who got the hat from the tree?
Max.
Now, Kara, what did Daisy and Max do at the end? What did Daisy and Max do at the end?
Daisy and Max sat under the tree and shared a snack.
Yes, good. Good. Okay, now it's Kenzie turn. Whose turn now? Is it Kenzie or is it Alia? Oh, Alia already read the story, right? So, Kenzie, page 38. Page 38. Page 38.
Tina's teeny garden.
Tiny.
A tiny garden. Tina the turtle loved
Turtle. Not turtle, turtle.
Tina the
Tur,
tur-
tur. Kenzie, look at me.
turtle.
Kenzie, look at tur, not
Tur,
tar. Tur,
tur,
tur. Good.
tur.
Good.
Tina the turtle loved uh, quiet mornings. She lived in a cozy little shell house with a tiny garden just outside. She grew strawberries, mint, and one sunflower that was taller than her roof. But one dry summer, Tina's garden stopped growing. She watered it every day. She hummed to the plants. She even told
Even,
them stories.
even.
He even told them stories. Still nothing. One morning, Tina saw something strange.
So,
Her,
yes, continue.
her watering can was empty.
Her, her.
Her her watering can was empty, but she but but use it yet. The next day, the same thing happened. So Tina stayed up late to watch. That night, she saw
Not show.
so
So,
she saw a family of mice tiptoeing into her garden. The mouse held the can carefully,
carefully,
carefully, carefully, watering a little patch of dirt near the fence.
near.
Near near the fence. Tina blinked. She did not feel angry. She felt curious.
Felt. She felt.
She felt curious. The next morning, she peeked over the fence. There, there, growing in the mice patch were teeny carrot
Tiny,
sprouts,
tiny.
tiny carrot sprouts. Tina smiled and left a note. Next time, let's garden together. From that one, Tina garden was full of new friends and lots more carrots.
What does Tina grow in her garden, Kenzie?
What does
Grow is the present verb. The past verb for grow is? Do you know what the past verb for grow? Past verb of grow. Grew. She grew. She grew.
He grew strawberries,
Yes.
mint, and one sunflower.
Yeah. So what does Tina grow in her garden? She grows strawberries, mint, and sunflower. Okay, what happened to Tina's garden during the dry summer, Kara? What happened? But one dry summer,
She didn't feel angry. She felt
no, what happened to
curious.
Tina's garden? To Tina's garden. Tina's garden, but one dry summer, Tina's garden. It's a sentence there. Can you find the sentence? She grew strawberries, mint, and one sunflower that was taller than her roof. But one dry summer,
Tina's garden stopped growing.
okay. So, would you read the question, please? Question number 2, page 39.
Tina's garden during the dry summer.
So, what happened to Tina's garden during the dry summer? It stopped growing. Tina's garden stopped growing. Okay. What did Tina do to try to help her garden, Quinza? What did Tina do to try to help her garden?
Page what?
38. 38. The answer is 38. Quinza, you should listening. You should listening when others reading, okay? So what did Tina do to try to help her garden?
Tina stayed up to watch. So one morning, Tina something. Morning, Lizzie the house.
No, it's not. But one dry summer, Tina's garden stopped growing. So it stopped growing, right? So Tina want to do something to make her garden keep growing. So what did he do? What did he do to help her garden? She watered it every day. She hummed to the plants. Do you know what hum means?
watering can was empty.
No, no. Before that, the garden stopped growing. The garden stopped growing, right? But one dry summer, Tina's garden stopped growing. So she watered it every day. She hummed to the plants. She even told them stories. That's what she did. That's what she did. Do you know what hum means, Quinza? Hum. Hum.
Hop,
Yes,
hop,
hum.
room.
No. Find in the dictionary hum. What is the meaning of hum? Yes. Yes. Okay. You search the meaning of hum. If you don't know what is the meaning of hum, you can also find the meaning in the dictionary. Yeah? Okay, Ryan. Hum, Ryan. Hum.
Miss,
Yes?
may I go to the toilet?
Of course, Kara, please. You are excused. Please.
Thanks. Miss, can I go to the bathroom too?
Okay, okay, you can go to the toilet with Kara there. Please. Anyone else? Anyone else want to go to the bathroom? Hum, Quinza, have you find the meaning of hum?
Omnya mana?
She watered it every day. She hummed to the plants. She even told the stories.
She.
Okay, you read it, Quinza. You read it. The story from the beginning.
Tina's tiny garden.
Tiny.
The tiny
Yeah,
garden.
that's why you should listen when others is reading, okay? So you don't make same mistake. Okay, continue, please.
Tina the turtle loved quiet mornings.
Quiet.
Quiet morning. She lived in the cozy little shell house with a tiny
Tiny.
garden. Just outside, she grew strawberries, mint, and one sunflower that was taller than her roof. But one dry summer, Tina's garden stopped growing. She watering it every day.
She watered.
She watered it every day. She hummed to the plants.
Okay, she hummed to the plant. Can you repeat? She hummed to the plant.
To the plant.
She hummed.
She hummed.
Hum, not She
Hum.
Yeah, good. She hummed. Okay, Ryan, do you know what hum means?
Umet. Umet. Bersandung.
Kok tersandung? It's different. Bersenandung and tersandung is different.
Bersenandung.
Okay, good. So, okay, Quinza, continue reading.
She hummed to plants. She even
Quinza, listen. Hum. Okay. You don't pronounce the ed. Okay, hum.
She hummed to the plants. She even told them stories. Still nothing. One morning, Tina saw something strike. Her watering can was empty, but she bent.
She hadn't.
She hadn't used it yet.
Use, not us.
It
Use.
yet. Used it yet.
Okay.
The next day, the same thing happened. So Tina stayed up late to watch. That night, she saw a family of mice tiptoeing into her garden. The smallest mouse held the can carefully, watering a little patch of dirt near the fence. Tina blinked. She
Blink.
did.
Blink.
Tina blinked. She did feel angry. She felt curious. The next morning, she picked off the
Pick.
over the fence. There grew in the mice pack where tiny carrots
Tiny. This is the third time. Tiny.
tiny carrot sprouts. Tina smiles. Tina smiled and
Left.
and left a note. Next time, let's garden together. From then on, Tina garden was full of new friends and lots more carrot. The end.
Okay. What did Tina notice about her watering can?
She watering it every day.
Her watering can.
Ah.
One morning, Tina saw something strange.
Her watering can was empty.
Okay. Who was using the watering can, Kenzie? Kenzie,
Yeah.
who was using the watering can?
Oh, lah. One morning, Tina saw something strange. Her watering can was empty.
And then,
But she bet use it yet.
yes, and then,
Huh?
who was using the watering can? The question is, who was using the watering can?
Tina.
The watering can is empty, but she hadn't used it yet. So Tina had not used it yet, but it's empty. So who is using it? Who is using it? That night,
Oh.
she
She saw a family of mice tip, tiptoeing into her garden.
okay. This the smallest mouse.
Held the can.
Okay. So who was using the watering can?
The smallest mouse.
The smallest mice. The
The
smallest
mouse.
mouse from mice family. Okay. What does tiptoeing means? Tiptoeing. Tiptoeing. What does it means? Tiptoeing. Find in the dictionary. Tiptoeing. Quinza, what does tiptoeing means? She saw a family of mice tiptoeing into her garden.
Family must tiptoeing into her garden. The mouse held the can.
What is the meaning of tiptoeing? Okay, Kara, can you help? What is the meaning of tiptoeing?
Tiptoeing.
Or maybe Ryan.
Toe. ING. Berjinjit.
So that's what tiptoeing means. Tiptoeing, okay. Okay. So, everybody have read the story, right? Who have not read the story? Kara already read the story. Kenzie already read the story. Ryan already read the story. Alia? Okay, now we read the homework.
Yes, I'm back.
Okay. So the homework. Let's read the homework. Who wants to read the homework first?
Can I?
Okay, Alia. Alia.
How do you feel about surprise? When I'm 5 years old, my mom and my dad give me surprise. Surprise. I feel shocked, happy, and grateful. I was so excited. So I say thank you to my mom and dad for giving me surprise. After that, I opened the surprise. I was so happy they gave me mini toys, motorcycle, and I can ride it. It's so useful. I can ride it to the park every day.
Good. Good. Thank you. Who wants to do next? Who wants to do next? See who? Ryan. Okay, Ryan. Let me get yours.
Oh.
Oh my God.
Surprise! Don't tell my friends about the surprise. My dad, he was very happy and the glitch. I also gave surprise to other blue people and it was really exciting.
Oh, it was really exciting, Kara. Thank you. Thank you, Kara. Whose turn now? Quinza or Kenzie? Come on. Quinza or Kenzie? Quinza. Quinza, read your homework, please. You are still mute, Quinza.
How do you feel about surprise? I'm really happy because I was give give a special in the gift is an
But
iPhone.
I was given. Read your
What
writing carefully.
given a gift especially if the gift is an iPhone. A
Okay.
I'll display the gift on my bedroom table. I'll give when he turned 10. The end.
Who is turn 10? You didn't tell in the story who is turn 10.
Kawanku coba cobain.
Okay, okay, thank you, Quinza. Now, Kenzie.
How do you feel about surprise? The dim room
Suddenly,
suddenly
sud-
suddenly burst into light, and a crush of surprise thought around me. For a moment, I was completely stunned. My circuit were processing the unexpected. Then 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 I wrong a sense of connection blown with him. My core programming, it was delightful. To know that someone or something had put in the effort to create this moment for me, filled me with a feeling,
Feel,
eh,
feel,
filled me with a, f- a feeling,
a
mm,
feeling,
a feeling,
a feeling.
a feeling I can only describe as joy. As joy. It was a beautiful, um, um, beautiful anomaly in my usually predictable extents.
Beautiful anomaly. Ah,
Anomaly.
it's an anomaly there. Okay, thank you. So let's end our session now. Thank you for coming, everybody. Okay, we will meet. I'm sorry for tonight. We have what? The electricity turn off and then turn on again and then turn off again and then turn on again. Oh my God, it's black again. It's only my face. Bye bye. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye.
Okay, see you next week.
I have been